And the Badshah of Indian cinema, Shah Rukh Khan, won a special NDTV award for his contribution to cinema in 2007. Well, let's hear what he had to say.
Shah Rukh, you've given us Chak De India, you've given us Dad De Disco. What's your mantra for 2008?
I'm not working. I don't have any work. Yeah, really, nobody signed me.
Just chill.
No, not just chill. I would love to work, but I think I've overexposed myself last year, so most of the producers, directors, they're not sort of signing me until Mr. Chidambaram lowers the taxes. I guess none of the producers can afford me. So I'm just out of work right now.
Lots of appeals there to Mr. Chidambaram. Hopefully listen. But when you say overexposed, I hope you don't mean your six-pack abs.
You tell me, is that overexposed? You'd like to see more of it?
I wouldn't mind more, and I'm sure lots of your female fans wouldn't. But tell me something, Shah Rukh. Many would say that the biggest entertainers in India today aren't just actors, they're politicians. What do you think?
They could be, but I said before, I mean, they are entertainers, they are intelligent, they are smart, but actors just happen to be better looking, that's all.
So why can't we have you in politics? I think we need better looking politicians.
You need intelligent politicians too. I'm not so intelligent. You give me a line, I can say it. I can't write my own speeches or lines.
Okay, I'm not sure all politicians do. But tell me, Shah Rukh, we keep talking about the camps. When you give an award for Indian of the Year, it really means someone who cuts across all boundaries, all films, all states and boundaries. What do you think lies in your what's the secret behind your universal appeal?
I don't know. I think I've just, to be really honest, and I really myself don't know. I have always wondered for 17 years I've been working and what could be right about me. So I don't have a mantra except for, what is the cliched known answers that I work hard. I'm very, very honest. I love my family. I try to entertain as many people as I can and, of course, pay my taxes in full.
Another message at the finance minister. But let's just throw open this to the audience. Any questions for Shah Rukh?
I'm normally the person who's asked the questions, but tonight I've been asked to ask a question. And unlike the rest of you, I'm going to keep it simple. What's one piece of advice you have towards politicians?
I'm glad it's such a simple question. Yeah. And one piece of advice, all the politicians will follow and we'll have a wonderful country. And look who you asked. I lie and cheat and do deceit for a living. I'm an actor, so I'm all show. Nothing really concrete inside me. But, I'd like to say I have a huge amount of respect for people who run the country or who have it in their hearts to run the country. It's a very selfless service. And as the younger people are coming, Rahul, though I think you're also not young anymore. Now we're getting toddlers into politicians. But I think the only idea would be that, just work honestly and have pride in your nation, love the country, and we have a wonderful, wonderful country. So let's not take money under the table and, let's not do shady stuff. If we do it right, we all gonna make money, we all gonna be happy, and we all be a great and very proud nation. So my advice to all the politicians is please be as honest as realistically possible.
It was Southern actor Rajinikanth who really was the entertainer of the year. As he and King Khan stood opposite each other, Shah Rukh Khan said that he had a thing or two to learn from the big hero.
All right. Well, we've also got another Badshah in the audience. I don't know if Shah Rukh, you want to ask Rajni a question?
You insist. What does one do to become Shahenshah, sir?
Shah Rukh, I'm telling you, one day definitely will become Shahenshah. God bless.
He had a chance to ask you a question. Is there a question that you'd like to pose to someone like Shah Rukh or have something to say to him?
For Shah Rukh?
For Shah Rukh, yes.
No, he's an excellent, excellent actor. And one thing actually, what I liked him in his integrity, and he is so serious about our Indian, to promote our Indian sports, that is hockey, that is hats up to you.
Yes.
I saw the picture that Chak De. And really, I will try to do that kind of role, Shah Rukh. I will. I will respect, I will get that kind of story, that kind of subject.
Thank you very much. Though I'm noticing you're only talking about my sports, not my acting, but God bless you. It's a joke, but it's a great honor to see you, sir.
Yes.
It's a wonderful honor and a moment of pride for all of us here, especially film actors like me. Really, really wonderful to see you live and amidst us, and thank you for being here.
Wonderful.
Thank you, Sharon.